around and I get a bad battery. What the heck? Hey there everybody and welcome. So today we're at the barn and you can see everyone's happy. Hey there, beautiful. So it's time to feed the horses and that's what they're waiting on. They're all waiting for me to feed the horses and there they are. Hey guys and girls. So I have to put this hay out for them. I can't leave out a bunch of hay because they'll just eat it all, you know? So I have to put out about a bale and a half every day for them because they'll just eat it and eat it and eat it, you know? So I've got all the hay we could possibly want in here. Here we go, girls and guys, let's go. Jumping away, isn't she? Yes, you are, girl. Set you guys right there. Sometimes they'll pee on it. So I'm gonna put a little bit, they got these little buckets, you know? I can put a little bit in each bucket. But I'll show you their stalls. And ooh, these are a little spooky. I think this one's name is Chip. Yep, see there's Chip, and this is Fancy. Fancy. They're kind of skittish, you know, so I've known these horses for a while. So they've gotten used to me, you know? Chips, he's pretty sketchy. You can see, like, so, and guys, whenever and girls, when you're around horses, you never want to stand behind them because they might kick you. And believe me, if you got kicked by a horse, you would know it. And I want to show you guys the beautiful chickens. Hey, y'all. I think these are red runners. But and that is their rooster. Look at that red rooster. Man, he's something. Look at that hat on him. I couldn't tell he was a rooster at first because he blends in so well with everyone, you know? But it's a great rooster. All right, so we got some more hay. So we give them about a bale and a half, you know? I'm gonna take a bale out to their little hut. And the tractor broke down on me, so I'm having to do everything manually, you know? I gotta work on the tractor today, but I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show you guys how to fix the tractor. I gotta work on stuff at the farm all the time, and when it breaks down, I try to fix it, you know? So it doesn't break down too often, but when it does break down, well, we gotta fix it, you know? So I usually ride around on the tractor, but today I'm gonna go light and use the wagon. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Oh, that reminds me, I forgot about something. Oh boy. I've been working on the Bobcat and I had to fix the line that broke. And I gotta go pick it up. I have forgot to pick that line up. Okay, so on the Bobcat, there's a hydraulic hoses that hang from the bucket, and it'll get hung up on the tracks if it's not tucked away properly, and it's been giving me a lot of problems. So this thing is heavy. It's been giving me a lot of problems. So the other day when I went to use it, I ran over the hose with the track, and hydraulic place in Savannah I go to called Savannah Drive Lines. And they repair hydraulic lines and stuff. Now this is their hay bin, you know, and they've got hay in here, but it's not, they don't like this kind of hay, you know. Otherwise I just fill it up and they can eat it all week, but they don't really care for it. And I think this is Chip that's coming. Hey Chip! Can I get this straw ready? I'm trying to get it. Now, when I'm doing this, here you go. Now, when I'm doing the hay, well, the straw, gotta be careful with these wires. One time, these wires, I found it was all wrapped up in one of the females' tails, you know? So, we gotta be real careful with these wires. Supper time! Just got hung up. Now I gotta go dig them out. Here they are, right? Gotta make sure that get in the hay. Really good, they really like it. Okay, y'all. So, there's 3 more horses. I believe we got 6. But they're in the front of the barn there eating. Nice. Wow, look at this toadstool. You can usually find toadstools growing in manure, you know. So, I hope you guys enjoy watching me feed the horses today. And I hope you guys like the horses. They are beautiful, majestic creatures. And I'm very lucky to be able to help take care of them. And, see, this is what I was working on the Bobcat. This bucket's got a hydraulic line that runs, and the hose hangs off the bucket like this and plugs into the machine. And sometimes this line will get hung up in the track and it ripped the whole thing off. So I'm working on that repair now. And the part should be done for repairs. And we'll pick it up. And I'll show you guys how that's done. But here's the rest of my babies. Horses, they're going to the stables. And I'll leave that. I'm probably gonna put that in. Yeah, we're gonna close this up. There's the rooster, guys. I don't know his name, but he sure is cool. Check him out.